Bengal Chief Minister Shubhendu Adhikari has suspended 3 IPS officers in the RG Kar rape and murder case. Shubhendu Adhikari has announced that the file of RG Kar rape and murder case of the doctor will now be reopened, and that's one of the many first few steps taken by the Bengal Chief Minister Shubhendu Adhikari. This, remember viewers, was also one of the Bharatiya Janata Party's poll planks. It spoke of lack of safety for women in the state of West Bengal, and that the BJP will look at the law and order situation and also ensure greater security for women in the state. But let's listen into what the Chief Minister said while talking about the decision to suspend these 3 IPS officers in the RG Kar rape and murder case. Listen in.
অভয়া ইনসিডেন্ট আমাদেরকে নাড়িয়ে দিয়েছে গোটা পৃথিবীতে, এবং নিশ্চয়ই পশ্চিমবাংলার মান মর্যাদা গরিমা সব নষ্ট হয়েছে। ঠিক আছে, আমরা আরো অনেকগুলো মেজার নেব। আমরা আজকে 3 জন আইপিএস কে সাসপেন্ড করছি। মিস্টার বিনীত গোয়েল, উনি এখন এডিজি রয়েছেন আইবিতে, আর আরো 2 জন আইপিএস, শ্রীমতী ইন্দিরা মুখার্জি এবং শ্রী অভিষেক গুপ্তা। এই 3 জনকে আমরা আজকে সাসপেন্ড করলাম।
Kamalika Sengupta joins us with more details. I believe that was the Chief Minister naming the 3 IPS officers. But what are the allegations that are being looked into? What did the Chief Minister say about the lapses, procedural lapses, given which this decision has been taken, Kamalika?
Well, when the RG Kar incident entirely happened, the main question was, main allegation was again the police force. Now, Vinit Goyal, who was a CP that time, the Commissioner of Police of Kolkata, he had to take in responsibility because he was the leader of the team of police. So, there were allegations against him that he wanted to suppress the entire thing. Not only that, if you remember the first day when this matter came out in the evening while he was talking to in a press conference with a journalist, he came up with the name of Abhaya. That is something which is very irresponsible of a commissioner of police to say something like that. Not only that, after that, the allegations that has been made by Abhaya's parents from time and again is that he wanted to suppress certain evidence, and because his entire team was working on that, that's what the allegation is. Entire team was working on that. So definitely, as the captain of the team, the question is definitely on Vinit Goyal. Number 2 is Indira Mukherjee, who was the DC Central. She was, doing the press briefing at that point of time, and the allegation against her, where she was trying to suppress facts several times and doing press conference in a way where it totally reflected that she tried to suppress certain things. That was allegation against her. Third, Abhishek Gupta was DC North. It's that area where the RG Kar falls, and there was allegation, Abhaya's mother laid this allegation that he was a person who actually wanted to bribe them. That's what the allegation of Abhaya's parents is. On the other hand, the police force, which is like under this scanner, under the scanner and has been suspended. The section of police officers from that side is saying that, CBI has not found anything. That version is coming. But the point is, the Chief Minister clearly, because RG Kar is one of the issue which was also there in the BJP's manifesto to provide security to women. And there they raised this question that, exemplary punishment should come up so that nobody even dares to do something like that. So definitely there was a very big question on the police force at that point of time, and that is the reason for which Commissioner of Police, the head of the police, was under scanner, and the new government came in, and the Chief Minister came up with this decision to suspend all 3 officers.
Okay, so the Chief Minister alleging that the police were involved in procedural lapses, allegedly attempted to bribe the victim's family, and not just that, also held a press conference which was not authorized. Kamalika, stay on with us. The RG Kar victim's father has responded to this announcement that's come in from Bengal Chief Minister Shubhendu Adhikari. Let's hear it.
মুখ্যমন্ত্রী অর্ডার দিয়েছেন, সাসপেন্ড করেছেন বিনীত গোয়েল, ইন্দিরা চক্রবর্তী, এদের 3 জন আইপিএস কে।
CM, Chief Minister has ordered the suspension of 3 police officers. When this incident happened, at that point of time, Chief Minister was Mamata Banerjee. She could have suspended them. But that government did not do something like that. They wanted to suppress it.
গুপ্তা, অভিষেক গুপ্তা তার তো কোনো জানি না কোথায় উনি ডিউটি করছেন।
Abhishek Gupta at that point of time
এইগুলো
tried to
তখন
bribe
তৎকালীন
us.
মুখ্যমন্ত্রী করেননি। সুতরাং এখন বর্তমান যে মুখ্যমন্ত্রী আছেন তিনি
So the
করবেন।
fact is
এবং
that
পশ্চিমবঙ্গে যত
time
নারী
the
নির্যাতনের
chief
ঘটনা
minister
ঘটেছে,
of the state did
বর্তমান
not do
মুখ্যমন্ত্রী সেগুলো বিচার
all
করতে
these things.
করতে
That
পারেন।
is what the victim's father right now, while he is talking to the media, he is saying. This is something which is we have got a confidence. That's what Abhaya's father is saying, that this decision has given us confidence.
প্রথম থেকেই বিনীত গোয়েল তো প্রেজেন্ট থেকে আমাদের
So the father now is saying that from the very first day, Vineet Goyal, who was the commissioner of police, he did not allow us to go inside that seminar room. And then he tried us to talk to the chief minister. He could not make us see our daughter for 3 hours. That's what the father is saying.
আরো অনেক দূর যেতে হবে বিচার করতে গেলে, অবশ্যই রাখবেন।
This is just the start. If we really want to have justice, we have to go a long way. That's what the father of Abhaya is saying right now as he is speaking to the media.